I knew it. I
Oh,
fucking
man.
knew it.
He was camping outside,
Yep.
right behind us.
Yeah, get out. Oh, it's two of them. You still got the gun, right?
Done. Now they're done. See if the gun works. I didn't even try it.
Nope. Fuck.
Nice.
That's fucking safe zone camping. You can't fucking do that.
Pretty much, yeah. Sitting there and waiting, man. Lame as hell. Who was the guy that was there? Cookie Bear and Keith, probably. I didn't see the other guy's name.
I don't know.
Nikita's the one that killed me.
You guys realize that safe zone camping and you guys can't do that? And I'm fucking making a video of that shit, so you guys are gonna be banned. Come back and shoot these fucks if you want. Of course the gun's fucking disabled.
Read rule, man, okay? Read, please. Camp and
1400
trade
meters
zone,
out. Get my
additional.
bike.
Fucking douchebags. It's fucking Sherman, of course.
Yeah. This guy's an idiot.
Yes. I'm so lucky my fucking gun doesn't work. I don't
Are
know
they
where
leaving?
No. I don't know where the other guy went.
Somebody's spooling up a Mozzie.
Yeah, could be him. Or it could be his friend. Here comes his friend on a bike. So they're both here if you can.
Coming. 600 meters.
Okay. You guys are shit for players. That's why you have to camp safe zone. Oh shit, he's gonna blow me up. He just
500 meters.
He just placed another bomb. Oh, I'm still alive. Nope, now I'm dead. 80 seconds passed out, dead. Fucking Sherman, that motherfucking piece of shit. I'm gonna make a fucking video of that. Hopefully it worked.
There's another player coming up. They were both right there.
Yeah, they were both right there.
Approaching along the wall from northwest.
Dude, I knew when I fucking seen that thing in the road, I was like, fuck, that's a mine. Hopefully they'll let me have Grishino. Yes. see him.
I can see the top of the BDR. Flanking around toward Bash.
Okay.
Woods here. That third player went.
They're
Another one.
probably just going to continue to...
Probably gonna continue camping, is my bet.
Yeah. Still don't see the other one.
He got one of them behind the BDR, pinned down.
Okay. I'm jutted out.
Taking shots.
Oh, yeah, there's a bicycle over there. Oh, it's probably yours.
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah, just took a hit.
Okay. Shit. Did you get the guy too?
No, Juba got me. He was the one that was the other third guy there. There's at least three.
Alright.
Or, well, two now. I killed one.
Were they still on the BDR? Or?
One was on the BDR, one was between the BDR and Bash on the west side of the road.
Okay. Still more shooting. Oh, there's a guy. Got you. Shit. I hate when I do that. Fucking get into that sniper stance. So Sherman's the only one still alive.
And definitely the one that needs to die.
Yes.
There's an armored vehicle mission right there at Casino. Spawning there.
Okay. See Sherman. Being a little bitch and hiding.
AS-50 or M110 firing from Grashino. The mission.
Fucker's hiding pretty good. Fucking Wilso just driving in on a bike. Maybe he'll get shot and give his position away. Yep, just got shot at.
Yep. That is seriously what they're doing.
Unless they like just changed the fucking rules? You cannot fucking.
Yeah, you can't just sit.
Yeah.
You can be there and like moving around. No sitting.
Yeah, he's trying to go. I'm gonna go get their shit. He ran into the fucking safe zone.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty much it, man.
Yeah, they're done. Hopefully I get back and get this shit before Jug gets back. It's gonna be close.
I'm gonna try to get to this vehicle before they find the key.
Пацаны, селфи, фоткаем. F12, давайте. English? Okay, English. You new player, okay? Селфи, давай, фоткай.
That didn't work.
Давайте я вас фоткаю, пацаны. Давай. Улыбочку. О. Опа. Есть. Скриншот. Nice фото.